Nirmala Sitharaman attended a meeting of members of Board of Directors of Reserve Bank of India on Saturday, and the meeting was held at the office of RBI in New Delhi. The meeting saw the participation of RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das and other Board of Directors of the bank. The meeting is held after the Union Budget 2024-25 and days after the Lok Sabha passed the Finance Bill with a few amendments. Finance Minister, while addressing a press conference, stressed that banks shall bring innovative products and raise deposits.
My emphasis also would be the same with the banks, and I, in fact, will be meeting with the banks for various reasons to take up government's priority sector lending area, emphasis on some of the government schemes, and also in that process talking to them about how it is important for them to go back to collecting deposit, the old-fashioned get back to collect deposit from everybody, which means banks, RBI has given them some liberty in managing their interest rates. Using that liberty, they should make deposit attractive in the banks.
The Finance Minister also said that the Banking Regulation Act, the Banking Companies Act and the Reserve Bank of India Act were brought in to improve banking governance.
The banking regulations amendments that we are bringing in is not just only for that. There are many others which are reasons behind why we have brought the BR Amendment Act. It's been pending for some time, pending in the sense it was long awaited. It also has some realignments as regards the cooperative sector banking arena, and the nomination is one of the things which is a customer friendly step, because I think it is important for customers to have that choice, and also to make sure that the nominees later on don't face any difficulty in claiming what is rightfully theirs.
RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das also addressed the press conference. He said that the interest rates on deposits and lending rate are deregulated and that banks free to decide rates.
Banks fix their deposit rates, they fix their interest rates. The position, the situation could vary from bank to bank. At times you would have seen certain banks launch a special drive to raise deposits. So they tend to give a higher rate of interest for deposit mobilization. I think overall, if you see, there has been considerable amount of stability in our interest rate regime, whether with regard to the central bank, I'm not saying with regard to the central bank, but overall in the financial system, I think our interest rates have not been very volatile, they have been fairly stable.